Hey everyone, this is Mr. Hammer. Well, okay, so we have this part two. We have this right door which is closed. The computer thinks the door is open. So in part one, I took it up to Skillman Kia, up on the west side. You can Google them. I believe it's 5336 West Park Plaza Drive. All right, so I want to definitely say thank you to Skillman Kia. So this is a drivability issue, and here's why. The lights are going to drain the battery. Even if you shut the dome lights off, you take the keys out of the ignition, right? This little light is still going to remain illuminated. You see that right there? So what's going to happen is this is going to drain the battery. The cost of repairs for this one, the door latch assembly, labor, it's going to be about $600. So you definitely have to get it fixed. There's no getting around it. And, well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and just suck it up, and I'm going to pay the piper and get them to get the part ordered. They'll probably be here Monday. Hopefully, I don't get charged any extra to have the battery charged well, but that could be another cost. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 3. Also, thank you, Skillman Kia, for getting the vehicle in today. I appreciate you guys. You guys are phenomenal. And like I said, check them out. Thank you. And a special shout out to Lindsay in the service department. Thank you, and bye-bye.